controller drift can negatively impact your gameplay in League of Legends. Follow these steps to optimize your controller settings and reduce drift. Step 1. Check controller settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Ensure that the sensitivity settings are adjusted to your preference and that any dead zone settings are configured to minimize drift. Step 2. Update controller firmware. Visit the manufacturer's website to check for any firmware updates for your controller. Download and install the latest updates to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with the game. Step 3. Clean the controller. Inspect your controller for any dust or debris that may be affecting the analog sticks. Use compressed air or a soft cloth to clean around the sticks and buttons to ensure smooth operation. Step 4. Adjust dead zones. In the controller settings, adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the effects of drift by requiring more movement for the game registers input. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, test your controller in a practice game. Pay attention to how the controller responds and make further adjustments to sensitivity and dead zones as needed for optimal performance. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce controller drift and enhance your gaming experience in League of Legends. Happy gaming!